Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're keeping yourself safe. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to make this beautiful statement necklace. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that I did was to get my rope, and my rope was about 18 inches, and then I cut a similar piece of fabric which is similar in length, but I just made sure to add at least 1 inch on both edges, and then I folded it in half and then I sewed it on the side. The width of this little fabric was about 3 inches. Then I just sewed on the edge like that. After that, I used a safety pin to turn it inside out.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with.
And then I now used the safety pin again to insert the rope. So because the fabric rope. So that was my rope when I was done. So to make my little fabric pumpkins, I used, for the bigger ones, I used this little bowl that I have, and its diameter is about 7 inches. And then I'll just draw a circle on the fabric like that and cut it out. Then using a needle and thread, I would start to do a tucking stitch on the fabric, and make sure that your thread is knotted at the end.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
And then I now take my stuffing and then I start to stuff the little fabric circle. And while I'm doing that, I just continue to pull and make sure that the fabric, all the fabric edges come together, and then I sewed a few times before I tied it. Then I took this embroidery thread and it was doubled for the big ones. Then I made 2 knots at the end. Then I started to sort of make the shape of the little fabric pumpkin like that. So it's just basically sewing through the center and going over the edges and really pulling it tight. And you do this about 8 times so that you have like 8 little compartments, 8 little grooves on the little fabric pumpkin. So I'm pretty sure there are many ways of making fabric pumpkins, but this was the way that I found easy for me.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
So there are all my other fabric pumpkins. Then I now started to add the fabric pumpkins onto the rope, and the first thing that I just do is to just arrange them like that, and then I pin them using my pins, and then I just take a needle and thread, and then I sew. So that was when I made the first row, and that is the back. Then I added the second row. These ones were much smaller, especially the ones on the edges. Then I just pinned them as well, and then I sewed. Then I went on to add the last and final row, which only had 3 fabric pumpkins. So there are many arrangements that you can do. You can just do 2 if you want. You can even just do 1. It will still look very pretty. My little fabrics, which were slightly bigger than my little curtains. So I'll just start by doing a tucking stitch on the edge like that, then insert the little curtain and then pull tight and make a knot. So they were all the ones that I had, and then I just started to glue them onto the back of the necklace. So just as soon as I finished, I realized that pink was probably not the best color. I should have made them black, just because this color looks dirty. It gets dirty very quickly. I should have made them using black fabric or navy blue or any other color besides this light pink. So I just went ahead and then I glued them all onto the back of the necklace like that. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I now took my glue gun, and then I took those little caps that I put at the ends of the rope necklace. Then I took these gold beads. You can also use pearl beads or any other colored beads or even small buttons. So I was just gluing them onto the center of the fabric pumpkins. The last thing that I did was to add my jump rings and my hooks to make sure that the necklace can be closed. And that is all for this DIY. It's so pretty, and I hope that I've inspired you today to go and make something beautiful for yourself, and I hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye.